Hi everybody, Windows 11 released almost 1 year ago and most of you probably installed and tested it as it's a new version of Windows, so many are still facing new few problems after upgrade. In that case, you may need to clean install from an ISO file, and for that you can download the ISO file from Microsoft's official site using media creation tool, or you can also get a MSDN released ISO file. And here I am sharing with you Windows 11 version 22 ways 2 ISO file, which is actually released on Microsoft's MSDN subscription site. It's a business edition including Windows 11 Professional, Windows 11 Education, Pro Education, Windows 11 Enterprise, and Windows 11 Pro for Workstation. And these ISO files also included the November 2022 updates. So if you need this ISO file, you can download this from the Google Drive link given in the description, and you can safely use it as it is released by Microsoft. Thank you.